Hello everybody, Kostas here, and I'm gonna show you to this short video how you can easily use AI, Clicksites AI to create multi-language landing page. To other videos, I showed you exactly how easy it is to create landing pages in seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to have this landing page uh, to be multi-language. Okay, as you can see over here we have the translation. That's a new option that was added to Clicksites AI, and it's the easiest way to have an AI translation. You see here enable multi-language translation. You just select enabled. Widget look, you can select how you want the widget to look. You can just have the flags with language name. You can just have the language names or the language codes or just the globe. Okay. If we leave the nice drop down with flags over here, you're gonna see that we can choose which language we want to use. Okay, the main language of our main uh, site is in English. So I'm going to remove from here the English and I'm going to leave French, German, Italian, Spanish. Okay. You can select here native language names or auto switch to browser language. That's really convenient and it can switch easily to another language in case somebody uses French, German, Italian, or Spanish. We can select the flag size, 32 is okay, and flag style we can select even 3D, and we can decide where we're gonna show this language bar. Usually it's to the bottom right. I can have it over here to the bottom right. Float switcher open direction and open direction top or bottom and the color scheme. Let's try to select here. You see the English. You can just select which kind of English and which kind of Spain. I'm gonna click save, and now the only thing I'm gonna have to do is just click and close this one. Let's preview the page right away. Okay, I'm gonna have to save and publish first. Great. Let me try again. And okay, the the point is that we have to use the link, the main link from our landing page. And over here, we're going to see that we have the translation. If we select French, everything is going to become in French. If we select Italian, it's going to be Italian and so on. As you can see, it's normal to have the English. So the one that I removed before, I'm going to select to have the English. So in case somebody wants to go back in English, to be able to select it again. Uh, the uh, the main language is going to be English. I'm not gonna make it to auto switch to browser language. I want to keep it like that, and I'm gonna just click save settings. Okay, and on that way we're gonna have this landing page over here easily translated. You see, you can select another language, and you can turn back to English again. Okay, let me just turn back to English here, and you see that I have everything translated easily and fast. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you really want to know more about Clicksites AI, click the link in my description or to the comments and find out more. It's a very interesting and, trust me, an amazing web app that it's gonna save you tons of time. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.